Okay, we're picking up where we left off in the last video, and section 1.5 is about navigating a document and how to minimize wrist injury. So if your fingers are already on the keyboard, you want to keep using the keyboard to scroll, or if your hand's on the mouse, keep using the mouse. So to help prevent wrist injury, you want to minimize the switching. So this is just showing you how to move the arrow with the keyboard, the up, the down. If you want to go left one word or right one word to the end of the line. If you want to go to the end of the line, you can press end. I have to press the function key and F10 on mine. And then if you want to go to the end or to the beginning, I have to press function and F9, which is home. So just some shortcuts there of how you can use the keyboard. And then, of course, the scroll bar on the mouse. Okay, to save a document, when you're creating the document, the computer will store it in memory. When you save a document, this places it on the hard drive, or like if I save mine to my Google Drive. But a saved document's referred to a file, and you'll give it a file name. And then just read over this, but we are going to save. So they want us to click on File on the ribbon, and this is called the Backstage view. And you can click Save As. And I am going to save mine on my Google Drive, because my computer doesn't have a lot of storage, and I like to save mine on my Google Drive. Alright, so this is how you want to save it. And I'm going to my folder, Computer Applications, and I'm just going to save it there. But we're going to type SC_word_1_wash hands flyer unformatted. So now we have it saved. And I clicked save. I did that a little fast because most students know how to save it. And it is important to save your document. And I actually forgot to save it when I picked up last time, so I had to recover it. And I was able to recover it in my unrecovered files. Okay, as far as formatting paragraphs and characters, you have what's called a paragraph mark. It looks like this right here. And paragraph formatting is changing the appearance of a paragraph on screen, and then character formatting is changing the way the characters appear on the screen. So here is the unformatted flyer, and here is the formatted flyer. So that's what we're trying to work to. So you can change the fonts, the font size, and then you can have like a document theme. This is There's themes that you can set to change, like the fonts, the colors, the pictures. It's kind of a combination of different formats you can select in a document theme. And then this just tells you what you want to do to make words stand out. You may want to increase the font size so it's easy to read. It does say try to use only 2 different fonts on a flyer. So you could use one for the headline and then the other for all other text. Because if you have too many fonts, it can be confusing. And you might want to change the alignment of some of the paragraphs on a flyer to add interest. Typically, the default is left aligned, so you may want to change that. Bullets are always good, or numbers, so that it makes it easier to read. If you want to call attention to certain words, you can underline them, italicize them, or you can bold them. We don't want to overuse though. And you can use colors that complement each other. And so colors can vary in hue and brightness. Headline colors, for example, can be bold. And then signature lines should stand out, but not stand out as much as the headline. Okay, in the next video, we'll talk about how to change the document theme.